Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. So have you ever wondered how to create your own idea list similar to this on Amazon? I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can go ahead and create your own idea list on Amazon so that you can be able to make more affiliate sales. Now let's get started. So let me just show you an example of what I am talking about. Now this is a list called Tea Time. Let's open that up so that you can see the different products on here. As you can see, this person just went ahead and grabbed some cool stuff that they found off of Amazon and they added it to their idea list. Now the great part about this is like you're creating a mini shop on Amazon which you can promote through your affiliate link and drive people to that particular store. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this easily, guys. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do, you want to be signed into your Amazon. You want to go ahead and click on this account and list. And you don't want to click on it, just hover over that and you will scroll down to where it says your list. Now, first off, you want to go ahead and think about what your list is going to be about. So let's say you're in the baking niche and you want to go ahead and add products that you find cute and interesting on Amazon. You want to add them to your baking list. So now that you're here, you want to go to this tab that says your idea list. Just click on that. And this is where you're going to be able to give your list a name. Just go to create an idea list. Click on that. You're going to give your list a name. So let's say we want to choose cool baking tools. Cool baking tools. So cool baking tools for cool moms. Yep, and I think that is creative enough, guys. So let's go ahead and click on create. Now this is not gonna go live until you've added some products on here. Now to add products, you can click this plus icon or you can just go to the Amazon search. So let's go to baking tools. Or we could have added cute baking tools. Yep, and now we're here. So what I usually do is I go and look for the best sellers, because the best sellers, they have high reviews and your traffic is more likely to purchase something if they see that other people are actually buying them and leaving good reviews. So I'm just gonna collect some items on here and I'm left or right clicking and open up in a new tab. Just, you know, fun stuff that I think are awesome. Yeah, okay, let me just go with this one now. To make your list look more, you know, cute, you wanna let the colors, you know, be in sync with each other. You don't want to add colors all over the place. Now this one, yep, I'm gonna add that just for, okay, I like the image on this one. Gonna add that and I'm gonna add that. Okay, so that's it. Now go to each page that you've opened up and you just want to scroll down. Right under where it says add to cart, it's going to be there's going to be an option that you can choose to add to list. Just click this little arrow. Sometimes it works right away and sometimes it doesn't, and then you want to locate your list. So here's the list. Just go ahead and click on that and it has been added to your list. So let's go to the next one, and this helps you work faster by opening your products in separate tabs. Yep, add this one as well. I'm gonna go to the next one and you get the picture. I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna add all of them in, and show you what it looks like when I'm done. So now I've gone ahead and I've added the rest of the products, and this is what the list looks like right now. But that's because I'm signed in, so you have all of these X's so that you can remove the ones that you don't want. And you can also move these around and place them wherever you want them to be so that your colors can be in sync. And now your list is done. What you want to do is go ahead and publish your list. You can also preview the list. Okay, and it's going to open up. Yeah, this is how your list is going to look once you preview it. Once it's live. Sorry. So yeah, you can go ahead and publish the list. So no, you don't want to copy this code because you are going to be sending traffic to your list through your affiliate link up there. Now this is where you can go ahead and grab your affiliate link off of the top of this. You just copy that and you go ahead and you create images through Canva, and you can share them on Pinterest. I'm going to show you an example right now. So let me just go ahead and show you an example of one of the ones that I created for my other account. Okay, let me just open that up and show you guys so that you can have an idea on how you can create one of these pins for your idea list. Okay, this is one of it. So let me just open one of these. Now this is an image that I created with Canva. I just grabbed these images off of Amazon for these products that I added to the idea list, and I created a tall pin, and it's gonna take the person back to it. Let me just open it up. Once they click on it, it's gonna take them to one of my idea lists that I created, and here it is. But for some, okay, as you can see here, these are items for people who are into yoga, and they can come on here and they can purchase by clicking through to Amazon. So as you can see, you want to go ahead and you want to create tall pins, and you want to add them to group boards on Pinterest and direct them back to Amazon. That way you are, guaranteed or more likely to make a sale or two from your list. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if you don't know how to create images using Canva, just go ahead and look through my other tutorials, and you're gonna find a video on there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Stay awesome as always.